Hi, I'm Maclaurin Series, and today I'm going to be teaching you about Maclaurin Series. A Maclaurin Series is a Taylor series expansion of a function about 0. And another way of saying this is that you take a Taylor function and you center it around 0. So basically you take this formula right here, and it is changed into this because you just replace it with zeros. You replace the A with zeros, if that makes sense. And just as a little side note, Maclaurin series were named after Colin Maclaurin. Just a little fun fact for you. And Maclaurin series are common Taylor series, and some common ones are e to the x, sine x, cosine x, 1 over 1 minus x, and the natural log of 1 plus x. In this case, 1 over 1 minus x is actually geometric, and the 1 is the A and the x is the R. So each of these Maclaurin series has 4 terms that are carried across and the general term over here. And for each of them, the general term in the sum comes first. And in this case, k and n are interchangeable. Sometimes you'll see a k here, sometimes you'll see an n. I like to use n personally, but that's just how I was taught. And what you can do with the common Maclaurin series is use them to build other series from the common ones. So for example, here we're going to do one. We have e to the x, and so I have the whole e to the x series and the general term. And so we're going to try to find e to the 2x. So basically, what you do is you take the 2x and you replace it in each term. And so it's going to be 1 plus 2x, and I personally like to use parentheses just to show that I've made a substitution, plus 2x squared over 2 factorial plus 2x cubed over 3 factorial, and then the general term is going to be 2x to the n over n factorial. So I'll show you guys another example. Here I have sine x, and I have the 3 first terms and the general term. And we're going to try to find what sine of 3x plus 1 is. So you're basically going to do the same thing in this situation. You're going to put 3x plus 1 minus 3x plus 1 cubed over 3 factorial plus 3x plus 1 to the 5th over 5 factorial, and then the general term would become negative 1 to the n times by 3x plus 1 to the 2n plus 1 over 2n plus 1 factorial. In conclusion, Maclaurin series are basically common series, and if you memorize the common ones from a few pages ago, you should be good on when you build them. And that's actually all I have for you today. So thank you for watching, and this is the end.